Hello, Charis Dress. Welcome back to Globe Tech GH. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, and share the video. And if you have been watching my tutorials without subscribing, please I beg you kindly subscribe. In this tutorial, we take a look at how to fix an Android phone, this freezing, crashing, or responding or slow. These steps will also work on an Android tablet, and we take a look at how to uninstall apps and how to update apps in the Android app. Some of the factors which may causes these are: application need an update, phone storage is full and you need to delete some apps or videos that you don't frequently use or watch them, and system updates. Sometimes the phone system need an update. So to start with, let's open our Play Store. Then you tap on your account. You tap on offers and notification. Then you tap on the notification. Here, like you see all the apps that need an update here. Then you just tap on all the apps that need the update. To update all the apps, what you need is just your data, and it's going to update all. You just tap on update. So that's all. Then after that, let's go and check whether our phone storage is full or not. Then you go to settings. No, sorry, you open your files. The file, my phone storage is 32 GB, but now I left it for 4 GB. So here, like, you delete any video or application that you don't need, like you don't need them again. So let's go to settings. I'm going to show you how to delete the application that maybe you are not using them. Go to your settings. Then you go to app management. Then you tap on app settings. Okay, here it's going to, like, here you see all the apps that you have installed on your phone. So here, any app that you don't need it, you just tap on it. And if you tap on it, you see open, uninstall, and force stop. You just tap on uninstall. Any app that you didn't need them, just tap on it and uninstall it. Then after that, you go and delete any video that you don't need again on your phone, or you don't watch them but they are just there, they are taking your space. You just delete them. Then the third one is you check your system update, whether the system is updated or not. You go to the phone settings again. That one, you go to system, tap on system. Then system update, you see system update, you tap on it. Then here we have the local update or online update. You tap on online update because you are going to use data to update it. It's online. You tap on that one. Okay, like here, if the phone need, like if my phone was to need an update, you see it, but I've updated my phone, so you can see your system is up to date. So my phone is up to date. I've updated it. Let's take it that you have done all this and still you are still facing the same problem. The last step is you need to reset your phone. That's the last option for you. You need to reset your phone. That one, it will let your phone look like it's a brand new phone again, and your phone will run smoothly for you. So let's go to settings again. Yeah, you go to the system again. Okay, system. Yeah, you go to backup and restore. Oh no, that'll be reset options. Sorry. Here you go to reset options. So the reset options here, I don't know whether like you are going to erase all the data. That's the factory reset. That's the factory reset. This factory reset, Like this will erase all the data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So here, like, it will erase all, like, everything from your phone. So let's take it that if you want to do this reset factory, you need to copy all your pictures, your videos, and your music into, like, it's like in a computer, or just copy them into your memory. Then after that, you just tap on erase all data. So this is the last step. After doing this, your phone will run smoothly for you. You not have any problem with it again. This is the end of the video. If you found it helpful, please comment, subscribe, like, and share the video. Please comment for me to know that the video is helpful to you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.